should really keep it short. I think Mayurakshi has told you all that you need to know. The children who are singing here, I hope that you all know where Swamiji was born. Do you know where he was born? Where? Raise your hand. Huh? He was born in Kolkata. Did you all know that? Yes? Do you know which part of Kolkata? No. Which part of Kolkata? North Kolkata. Have you been to North Kolkata? Have you seen the swimming pool in Hedua? No? Okay. Have you seen Bethune College? Any of you? Okay. So near Bethune College, his house is still there. So one day you can ask your mommy and daddy to take you there and see his house. So he was born in that house, and the room where he was born, it is now nicely decorated, and you can go and see that room. So why is Swamiji famous? Okay. He was an author? Alright. Okay, look at that picture. Look at that picture. What is he wearing? No, he is wearing a robe. And on his head there is a turban, and his eyes are shut. Why are his eyes shut? He is meditating. Very good. He is meditating. So he was a monk. He gave up everything, and he was the first person who went around the whole of India that we know as modern India on foot. Yes, and he talked to the common people, and he was one of the first persons who told everyone how the common people of India were suffering. So he is called a patriot monk. He taught us about Desh Prem. Now we are all repeating this word. So who is the Prime Minister of India? And do you know who his guru is? His guru is Swami Vivekananda. Okay, he considers him as his guru. So when he was 16, 17 years old, he went to become a sannyasi. Did you know that? And he was told by the monks in Ramakrishna Mission that you have other things to do. So that is a fact. And he thinks that Swamiji is his guru. Anyway, Swamiji has a very nice voice, Mayurakshi has told you, and he used to sing in the Dhrupad style. And he wrote a lot of songs. Did you know that? He wrote songs? Huh? Anyone knows any one song? Okay. Well, we can try it on another Swamiji birthday, one of the songs written by Swamiji. And do you know who Swamiji's guru was? No? Have you been to Dakshineshwar? Any of you? No? Okay. So there is a Kali Mandir in Dakshineshwar, you know that? Yes? And there was a priest in Dakshineshwar. Do you know his name? He died many years ago, 1886. So his name is Ramakrishna Paramahansa. He is the guru of Swamiji. And just Mayurakshi told you that they met in a house in Kolkata, where there was a lot of musicians who were singing. And Swamiji used to, then his name was Narendranath Datta, he used to get called. He was then 19 years old because he was a very good singer. Just like this, lot of people are sitting here. They have gathered to listen to you singing. Very similar, 140 years ago, like in a singing, in somebody's house where there was a lot of singing. Like you will sing devotional songs. So Swamiji went there because he was a good singer. So where is your senior most singer? Where is Riju? Where is Riju? Riju? Riju, Erikeshwar Riju. What class are you in? 11. He is in 11. So how he is around 16 years old, 17 years old. And Swamiji was 19 years old when Swamiji was, he was roughly this age, a little older than him when he met Sri Ramakrishna. Okay, and he had a beautiful voice. He could sing lots of songs in different styles. So you were here because Swamiji was a admirer. He was much admired for his voice. Everyone used to ask him to sing. Whenever they went to see him, they asked him to sing. And he could also play the tabla. And that is why on Swamiji's birthday, we gather around to sing. And all the people around that you see here, they all know about Swamiji. And you should also know about Swamiji. Okay, because he is one of us, a Calcutta boy. Okay? So with these words, I think we should start.
Thank you, Devdatta.